Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I am in my family room. I am going to be sharing some fall decor ideas with you. You guys know I like to give multiple decor ideas for any season, and that's what we are doing today. Just in case if you are going to ask, the coffee tables are from Amazon and they are out of stock. The rug is from Amazon. The link for it will be in the description box. But for any other products in this room, the link for the video where I talk about the products will be in the description box and also in the comment section. And it's coming up right now on the upper right corner of your screen, so you can check it out to find out where any other products came from. To all of you who are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. If you missed it, my name is Dalou. I share glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos. If you are interested in any of these things, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. Thank you to all of you, my returning Glam Squad. I appreciate all the love and support. Please check me out on Instagram at decor.glamstyle by Dalou and on Facebook and TikTok at glamstyle with Dalou. On the first coffee table, I am starting with the marble spread, followed by my beautiful vase with some beautiful fall leaves. This vase is available to purchase on my website as a pre-owned item under the pre-owned section item. It is very inexpensive, only $20. If you would like to own it, please check it out. Link for my website, glamstylehomedecor.com, will be in the description box. Then I'm going to be adding my books from Amazon. Another marble spread on top of the books to create some interest. On top of the spread, I have a very beautiful pumpkin. Love the pumpkin, it is so beautiful. For coasters, you guys know I always like to keep coasters in my family room. I'm using those leaf style coasters. On the other coffee table, I am using another marble spread. You can find a similar marble spread on my website. Then I have a bowl with some smaller pumpkins. For the second set of items on the coffee table, I'm going to be adding some candles. Today's video is brought to you by Dossier. If you don't know about Dossier, they offer iconic scents, designer quality at super duper affordable price. So they have a dupe for most of the designer brand perfume. This month's scent is the Gourmet White Flowers, inspired by Victor & Wall Flower Bomb, retail at $115, but you can get the Gourmet White Flowers, which is a similar scent, regular price $29, but now you can get it for $26.10. It's bubbly, it's sweet, definitely has a splash of vanilla. I like it. Check it out. The link for the Dossier website will be in the description box. And remember to use my code DALOU10 to save an additional 10% off. On this table, I'm gonna have a box with some tissue paper. On the nesting tables, I'm starting with some books, a white and gold bowl, I'm going to be using my gold and off-white pillows. They are also available to purchase as pre-owned items. It's fall, it's going to start getting chilly, so I'm going to be using my beautiful luxury throw. This throw will be available to purchase on the website. As I mentioned before, all of these items gonna be between 40 to 70% off of the purchase price. We are done with the family room. Let's see what it looks like. Now I'm going to start decorating my casual dining area. In the middle of the table, I'm going to start with some books. You can find these books on Amazon. On top of the books, a Glam pumpkin from Home Goods, super duper glam. And I'm going to have my super beautiful lamps from Amazon. I really like these lamps. They are so beautiful, so good quality. In the middle of the table, I'm gonna have a bouquet. This is all year round bouquet. The vase is available to purchase on my website as a pre-owned item. I think it's probably $10. I'm gonna use candle pillars to support some pumpkins. Candle pillars will be available to purchase as well, $10 each. To bring some life into the centerpiece, I'm going to use some tapered candles. I'm going to use my fall placemats. And then I'm gonna be using my beautiful alabaster plates. Love these plates. They are so beautiful, so elegant. You can find them on my website. They are not pre-owned items though. This beautiful, unique flatware set that I am going to be using is from Ian Wilson Design. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. If you are interested, you can go check them out. Wait until I do the close-up for you guys to see how beautiful they are. To complete the look on the chair, I'm going to add a throw from Amazon.
Your Rolex or your credit card, Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit, trying to be cool, so here we go again, here we go again. You got nothing on me, you got nothing on me.
Guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend and on your social media pages. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button, turning your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you to all of you for stopping by today. Thank you to Dossier for supporting my channel and today's video. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.